Hello students, welcome to class 4, subject English text, story Chavi Rajawat. So first we'll see characters of the story. In this story, there is one girl, her name is Chavi Rajawat and village peoples. Now here you will see Chavi Rajawat has done good work for their village people. Now, how much she struggled in this story, you will see. Now, I will explain you the story. After explanation, I am asking you question. So, listen carefully. So, this is a story about one girl. Her name was Chavi Rajawat. In India, most villages have men sarpanchis, means head of village panchayats. Panchayat means group of 5 elderly people. They are middle aged or older and having some experience. But in Soda, a village in Tong district, it is in Rajasthan, the Sarpanch was Chavi Rajawat. She was a young girl and grew up in the village. Life in the village was not easy. Electricity supply was irregular. Drinking water also not available easily. So, Chavi's parents sent her for study in best schools and colleges in the country. So, she was mostly away from her home. But she spent her holidays in her village only. After completing her college, she worked with a few big companies, but she did not like her work life. Her heart was in her village only. In 2010, the Sarpanch seat was reserved for a woman in her village. So her villagers want Chavi Rajawat as Sarpanch, not an other elderly lady. Her age was 20s only. Then also all villagers want her. She cannot deny the offer. Her parents were happy with her decision. So she became the youngest woman Sarpanch in the country. Her first challenge was to clean up the polluted water of the pond. The rules did not allow her to spend any government money on cleaning the pond, but this did not stop her from taking up the project. She took help from her own family, friends, and some companies. She raised enough money and got the pond problem solved forever. With the help of government officials, she improved electricity supply in the village. She also got many toilets built. She got a computer center opened in the village because in her village boys and girls did not know how to use a computer. In the village there are no bank. She knew that many farmers had to borrow money from money lenders at high rates of interest. So she talked with a public sector bank and got them open a branch in the village. She wants change her village as soon as possible. Her good work caught the attention of peoples. The UNO has taken interest in her work and gave support in the developmental activities in the village. In 2012, she was recognized as a young global leader by Government Economic Forum. She also won the Young Indian Leader Award from CNN News 18. So, moral of the story is 1. If we think to achieve something, we should work very hard after the same to be successful in life. Now, narration of the story. So, listen carefully. After narration of the story, I will ask you questions. Most villages in India have men sarpanchis, head of village panchayat. They are middle aged or older with some years of experience, but not in Soda. A village in Tong district in Rajasthan, the Sarpanch in Soda is Chavi Rajawat, a young lady. As a young girl, Chavi grew up in the village. Life in the village was not easy. Electricity supply was irregular and drinking water was not easily available. Chavi's parents sent her away to study in some of the best schools and colleges in the country. So, she was mostly away from home. However, she always spent her holidays back in the village. After college, she worked with a few big companies, but she did not like her work life. Her heart belonged to her village. In 2010, the Sarpanch seat in the village was reserved for a woman. The villagers wanted not an elderly lady, but young Chavi was then in her 20s as their woman Sarpanch. Chavi should not say no to the villagers. Her parents were happy with her decision. Thus, she became the youngest woman Sarpanch in the country. Chavi's first challenge as the Sarpanch was to clean up the polluted water in the large village pond. The rules did not allow her to spend any government money on cleaning the pond, but that did not stop her from taking up the project. With the help from her own family, friends, and some companies, she raised enough money, got the pond cleaned up, and solved the water problem forever. With the help of government officials, Chavi improved electricity supply to the village. She also got many toilets built. She realized that the young boys and girls in the village did not know how to use a computer. So, with the help of a company, she got a computer center opened in the village. Soda had no bank. Chavi knew that many farmers in the village therefore had to borrow money from moneylenders at high rate of interest. She talked to a public sector bank and got them to open a branch in the village. Chavi wants to transform the village as soon as possible. Her good work has caught the attention of many. The UNO has taken interest in her work and has supported the governmental activities in the village. In 2012, she was recognized as a young global leader by the World Economic Forum. She has also won the Young Indian Leader Award from CNN News 18. Now I am asking you questions. Which village is described in this lesson? Soda village in Tong district in Rajasthan is described in this lesson. Number 2. Who is the Sarpanch of this village? Chavi Rajawat is the Sarpanch of this village. Next question. Where did she spend her childhood? She spent her childhood in the village. Next. Which difficulties were faced by the villages? Irregular electricity supply and drinking water was not easily available in the village. Next. Where did she work after college? She worked with big companies. When was the Sarpanch seat in the village reserved for women? In 2010, the Sarpanch seat was reserved in the village for women. Next, what did the villagers wish? The villagers wished that not an elderly lady but the young Chavi Rajawat should become Sarpanch. Next, were Chavi's parents happy with her decision? Yes, her parents were happy with her decision. Next question. What was Chavi's first challenge as a Sarpanch? Chavi's first challenge as a Sarpanch was to clean up the polluted water in the large village pond. Next, how did she solve the water problem? She raised funds from her own family, friends, and some companies and solved the water problems by cleaning up the pond. Next, did she build toilets for the people? Yes, she built toilets for the people. Next question. How did she open computer center in the village? With the help of the company, she got the computer center open in her village. Next question. Which difficulties were faced by the farmers due to the lack of bank? As there was no banks, the farmers in the village had to borrow money from the moneylenders at the high rates of interest. Next, how did she open a bank? She talked to a public sector bank and got them to open a branch in the village. Next, who took interest in Chavi's work? The UNO has taken an interest in her work and supported government activities in the village. Which award given to Chavi? In 2002, she was recognized as a young global leader by the World Economic Forum and Young Indian Leader Award from CNN News 18. Thank you.